Always remember, celebrated and not tolerated. Can I get y'all to like, comment, and subscribe? And don't forget to ring the dink. The dink. Let's get it. What's up, gang? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. It's been a long minute. It's been a super long minute. Today I am gonna be unboxing my computer. Yes, I finally got me a laptop. Finally. My lips look a little ashy. Yes, I look a little rough. It's been a long, super long day today, you know. I thought I was gonna be able to keep my wig on so I could be cute for the camera, but no. Bump all that. Here's the computer. Oh, and it's December Vlogmas. Let's get it. I'm trying to become a YouTuber, y'all. Like, why not? Why not? I need to be monetized. I need 1,000 subscribers. Only 1,000 subscribers. Not even 1,000, because I got, like, it don't matter how many I got. I need a lot more. Alright, let's get it. Vlogmas. I'm gonna try to upload a video every day, whether it's good, bad, funny, sad, everything. We just Vlogmas. I need all videos for December. Gotta put that in my head. Video every day of December. Okay, so boom. With the computer, y'all, I ordered this computer for Black Friday. I got it for like $6 something. I feel like I deserved it. I never buy myself anything. Last time I bought myself something was like my birthday. It's been long overdue, and I'm just showing y'all my address. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's unbox it. I hear my stairs. You know, you can hear when people creeping. You can come. So let's get into it. It's a little weird.
I like the way.
Huh? You want to eat a cold? I ain't gonna eat a cold. You can't see nothing yet. It just makes the video better, you know? See it all packaged up. It got me a little charger. Yes, a charger. These people tried to deliver this thing like 3 times. Oh my god. Yes.
What was it?
I know, it's nothing. I'm excited. It's mine. That's all that matters. And this is it, you guys. It is the MacBook Air, like mid 2017 edition. It comes with like 2 USB ports, earphone ports, because you know some of them don't even have this memory card thing anymore, and I needed that. I didn't want to have to buy that little piece they be putting on there for like $40 just buy the computer to come with it. And this is refurbished, but had I not told y'all, y'all wouldn't have known. There's not even a dent. There's not a scratch. I gotta look in. There's not a scratch on this one. Get into it. Get into it. Look how thin it is. Yeah, it's very portable, but I'm clumsy. I probably won't be porting it. Yeah, look how thin it is. This is the 13.3 inch i5 5th generation. Shoot. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna charge it.
You don't know how you gonna charge it.
I said I gotta charge it. You wanna be in the video?
Nah, I'm with
It's coming. This is turned. Well, I'm finna upload a video every day. I got to get my money back eventually. Oh, good investment. Good investment. So far, so good. It's coming on in the neighborhood. It got juice already. I gotta go through, connect to my Wi-Fi. Yes, I'm looking for the blemishes they said it might have. Who? Where? It's giving Barbara. Barbara got it smelling good. Like there's nothing. Okay. So, United States. Then me, United States. Okay. Disability. Finish setting up. I got my items and disability below. Not now. We just setting up. We're gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. I should be able to connect without going upstairs. Yeah. Let me right there. Like, don't ever do something where I can do this and then come on. I gotta go get my password off the box. I've never reset it. Whatever it came with, that's what it was stuck with. I'm excited. I'm excited how y'all be crunk up with some J's and, you know, designer shirt. BAM! This is mine. You hear me? Hello? Who? Huh? What? Money calling. Can you tell me up? By any chance, you got the Wi-Fi password? You.
No. Well, hey, have you seen Vanessa shaking her head?
Who is Vanessa?
From Bird and Mac Shop.
Oh, yes. She had on the thong or something?
Yeah.
Yes. Why you watching it? Okay. And that was on there?
Yeah.
And she dancing like a little white girl.
Right.
You watch it all the time. I got a computer. I'm just so excited. So I get my stuff mailed to my mom's address because she have a home. I stay at some apartments, some townhomes.
Dead ass for oxygen.
Louis. Please excuse him, you guys. Okay, I might have to go with third. Phone full of videos. Can't wait to show y'all. Can't wait to upload them, get them on my phone. Hair tutorials. It's up. It is up. It's up. Look, when I first got it, I took it to my sister's graduation. Didn't even know how to take pictures. There she is. Okay. Wait, get into it. Wait. Yes.
That is not.
I know. I need to get the. I had a picture of it. Alright. I'll be back. Huh? I mean, just got a little laptop. Alright, password. Take a picture of it for me. V2 what? I gotta get used to this, you guys. But this what it is. This is me. This is my computer. This is it. I didn't unbox it. It came legit. It is refurbished. It's a 2017 mid edition i5. I think I got like 8 gigabytes. 245. It says some on there with 245. It's an Air, not the Pro. You know, the Pro is a little bit bigger, like an inch bigger. The bottom don't slim out like this. On the Pro, if I was to close it, it'll be that thick, and then the bottom will be the thickness of this computer closed, and then the top. It don't matter though. I got what I could afford. $600, that's the lot. 6 plus. Did you take a picture? What is it? 6H.
I'm allowed up in the back.
Yeah, I know. 6H.
I took it to you, shit.
Thank you.
What you go up there for?
I took a picture, but you didn't. Hold on, let me see real quick. What? Why is she on here doing this? Okay, wait. It's load with the Wi-Fi. And it say Wednesday 9:48. That's okay. You can sleep.
Today is Wednesday.
It ain't 9:48.
So I was off.
It's 48.
Yeah.
Okay. Inner like swimwear. I'm big about that. What's my apple? It's a 1 and no 1.
Well, it's a one, I think.
What kids? I ain't gonna even hear them tomorrow. Oh, they can't touch you though. Okay, I'm creating an account. I ain't gonna make it super long and super dry, so y'all gonna see me. Finna see more of me, all the time. I'm trying to do one every day. Whether it's an old video I already got in my phone or something new I just recorded on my camera. But I'm here. I'm here. We're here. Let me get a thumbnail. Can you do thumbnails on the camera? See, I gotta learn all this. I'm excited. don't stay tuned. That's the end of this video. Can I get y'all to like, comment, and subscribe? Like, comment, and subscribe. It's not that hard. Just hit that little red button. Turn on your notifications so you can know when your girl posts, because I am posting every day. Say it's my computer.